Hi all teachers, this is just a quick video to show you what I'd like you to do to wrap up your classes this year. You all know how to update in PowerSchool. You've been doing that really well. So I'm just going to run that dashboard report, filter it to the course I want to do, and then I'm going to look for kids who are 100% done. Alright, so I can see that my Caitlin Gearhart here, she got her 95 in her course. So I'm going to put that in. Please make sure you don't override this where it says grade, but just put this under final grade of 2.7. After I've done Caitlin's grade, I'm going to come in here to the name of the course. I'm going to hit complete and OK. Her course is now removed from. I'm going to do Jonathan Gearhart. He ended up with a 95 as well. We do round up. Any decimal, we round that up. Alright, we're going to complete that out. Sometimes that little option shows up in a weird place. And it looks like Josh Shittar's now. I happen to know with Josh Shittar's that I'm going to make him redo a test or two. So make sure you save your work in PowerSchool. And that's all you need to do. Just as you begin to see kids completing work, maybe you finish up their exams. This is especially true for foreign language teachers. As you grade out those exams and that progress bar reaches 100%, you can go ahead and put those in PowerSchool. Once you do that, you can complete them right from this dashboard page. So once again, you put it in PowerSchool, and then on the name of the course, you click it, and you click complete. Alright, so that is what I'd like you to do as you wrap up courses at the end of the year. And if you could send me an email just letting me know all of my grades have been updated in PowerSchool and my courses are complete. We do have a due date. Our last day of school is the 8th. On the following Monday, which is the 10th, we have a due date to have all of our grades updated and finalized in PowerSchool. If a student does not get done, do not complete the course. I will be working with those kids one-on-one. Thanks so much. Thanks for all you do.